Blue Single and we all are from Modern Vidya Niketan, Class 7C.
My name is Anas Ahmad.
And my name is Vian Chaudhary.
We worked on a robot which is obstacle avoiding robot. Now, my friend Dhruv will tell what components are required in this robot.
There are many components required in this robot. Ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, a motor driver, some jumper wires, battery, servo motor, a switch, some LEDs, and some resistors. And a 3D model that we designed on Tinkercad and printed on 3D file printer and a VO motor with wheels. Now I am going to explain how it works. When an ultrasonic sensor detects any obstacle, its head turns to an empty space and it moves towards the empty space. Its accuracy is 100%. It will never coincide in an obstacle. Its accuracy is 100% and it will never collide